Hi, 안녕. I'm Martin. I'm here to dominate the world with our dashcam. Okay, today I will show you very special model for motorcycle video recorder. This is very special because it has 100% waterproof. It has no problem for the water or dust. Two cameras. This is a very high resolution with HDR Sony Starbis. You can use our application. You can use your mobile phone. MBR G1 Pro is a very high level model. We have stories about the G1 series because we have G1 1, 2, 3, 4, Q, and X. We have many kinds of models. There is stories. So we have many kinds of models, maybe 165 kinds of models in our companies we produce. We have all dashcams. As you want, please select our dashcam GNET. Thank you.
GNET on the road!